Hey guys, this is Nelson. Today we're going to do our notes over the coordinate grid or the coordinate plane. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a good review for you. So if we look at this, okay, we're going to start with some vocab. So our first vocab is the horizontal line on a coordinate plane where points are plotted moving left and right. So that means our plane that is, or our line, excuse me, that is going to be going left and right. If we're in a coordinate plane, and our coordinate plane is our grid that we graph things on, the one that goes left and right is the x-axis. Okay, your next word, the vertical line on the coordinate plane where points are plotted moving up and down. So your vertical. Your vertical is going to be your y-axis. A point identified by an x and a y coordinate in a pair. Okay, these are going to be ordered pairs. The four sections of the coordinate plane divided by the x and the y axis, these are going to be your quadrants. And the point at the center of the coordinate is your origin. Okay, so let's go down. I'm going to talk about the quadrants first. Okay, so in our quadrants, you start with the upper right-hand corner. That is going to be quadrant 1. And then we go counterclockwise. So quadrant 2, 3, and 4. If you need a little help remembering which way we go, if you start up here in the corner on the right and draw a C, then that tells you the order that you count 1 through 4 in. Okay, so it wants you to plot the points first and then tell me what quadrant they're in. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes. Go ahead, pause your video and plot your points. Okay, and then we'll talk about the quadrants. So plot A is at 3, 3. Whenever we go to plot points, you always start here at 0, 0. Okay, from the 0, 0, you travel left or right first, and then you travel up or down to reach your second number. So if I'm at 3, 3, I go to the right 3 and up 3. So that's point A. We see we're in quadrant 1. Negative 3, negative 3. I'm going to go the opposite way down and then down 3. That's quadrant 3. 5, negative 5. So I'm here and then I go down to negative 5. That's going to be C. That's quadrant 4. Negative 5 and then up 5. That's D. That's quadrant 2. 0, so I don't move left or right, but I drop 2. That is actually not in a quadrant. That is on your y-axis. And if I go start from 0, 0, and I go over 2, and I don't travel up or down, I label that E, that's going to be F, and that is on my x-axis. Okay? So make sure if you have any questions, you come tomorrow prepared because we're going to be doing a project that goes with graphing and our quadrants. See you tomorrow.